Good morning, guys. Today we are going to continue to talk about our spelling patterns for the week and the sounds that we hear. Let's take a look at page 114. The letters A-R-E and E-A-R make the same sound. It is heard in share and bear. For number 1, you are going to write the A-R-E words with the air sound. The letters O-R, O-O-R, O-R-E, and O-U-R make the same sound. It is heard in for. Number 2, write the words with the same sound as in for. For numbers 3 through 8, read the word in each box. Listen to the sound of the underlined letters. Fill in the circle under the word with the same sound. Number 3, earth. Mark the word with the same sound as in earth. Number 4, for. Mark the word with the same or sound like for. Number 5, deer. Mark the word with the same ear sound as in deer. Number 6, where. Mark the word with the same air sound as in where. Number 7, for. Mark the word with the same or sound as in for. Number 8, careless. Mark the word with the same air sound as in careless. Now let's go back and check number 3. The sound in earth is also heard in earn. E-A-R-N, earn. Number 4, for. The or sound is also heard in war. W-O-R-E. Number 5, deer. The ear sound is also heard in yearly. Y-E-A-R-L-Y. Number 6, where. The air sound is also heard in share. S-H-A-R-E. Number 7, for. The or sound is also heard in more. M-O-R-E. Number 8, careless. The air sound is also heard in the word bear. B-E-A-R. For extra practice today, practice writing your spelling words in cursive. Do a good job and write neatly. Can't wait to see you guys soon.